the channel, guys.
One of the only time you're probably going to see us on the beach and in anytime soon.
Yeah, today we're focusing on all of the Game of Thrones filming locations in County Derry. County Derry.
Derry.
So the first location we visited was Portrush Strand, but the traffic was absolutely mental. It's you could drive down onto it, just like on this beach here, but you could drive down onto it and the traffic was just crazy. So I got out, got a couple of shots
while I was turning the car.
While he was turning the car. And yes, so Portrush Strand was actually used as a filming location for Dorne. It was when Cersei sent Jaime to Dorne to take her daughter back to King's Landing. So that's what that lovely strand was filmed for.
Why are you here?
Our ship capsized in the night. We managed to swim ashore. It's a near thing, really.
I thought the sharks would get us. There are no sharks in Dorne.
What we're on right now, this one was filmed for when Melisandre was burning the idols for the 7 gods of Westeros as a tribute to the Lord of Light.
The Lord of Light, yeah.
We offer you these false gods. Take them and cast your light upon us. For the night is dark and full of terrors.
That was filmed right here. So yeah, it's pretty beautiful. Have a look. There's a big beach.
That's a huge beach.
And up here as well, there's like a I don't know what to call it. It's like a bell tower. So again, there was one more location that we really would have liked to have seen here in Derry for Game of Thrones, and that was Binevenagh. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Binevenagh Mountain, which is just outside of Derry, and that was actually used for the Dothraki Grasslands. So it was first used in season 5 when Khaleesi escaped Meereen from the fight and stuff, and the dragon came and brought her to the Dothraki Grasslands.
We have to go home.
But from what we've seen, it looks beautiful from photos and stuff. So, but again, because we were on our way to Derry and Lee wanted to go see the Man United match, we didn't have time. You'd need like at least half a day to, you know, trek up the mountain and stuff and see the views. But it could be one to go to again.
Definitely.
So that being said, that is the last episode of our Game of Thrones locations here in Ireland, and I'm quite enjoying it.
Or is it? No, it is. It definitely is.
If there's any we have missed, let us know in the comments below, because it would be something I'd want to go see anyway. So yeah,
we could revive it at a later stage.
Yeah, exactly.
With that being said, hit the like button right there in front of her face. Hit that subscribe button right there in the middle of it, and hit the ding-a-ling-a-ling bell right covering my nostrils.
Please. And we will see you in the next one for some more Northern Ireland adventures.
Ding 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 ding.
Bye.
We have a winner.